Does your child avoid in rearranging unscrambled words or jigsaw puzzles? But why is the child not interested? It may be one of the following reasons. 1. Poor visual discrimination skills, which means the child has not yet learned to pay attention to details. 2. Poor figure ground perception, means they can't find the detail they are looking for in the sea of pieces. 3. Poor visual closure skills, unable to see what piece would complete the piece of the puzzles they are looking at. 4. Poor motor planning skills. The child simply does not know where to start. This child needs help to systematically work through the steps of doing a puzzle. 5. Lack of exposure to the concept of building puzzles. Let's make it easier for the child. First, introduce a three-piece puzzle and then make the child aware of its spellings. Sort out the pieces into those with straight edges and those without. Find the corners and place them correctly. Then jumble it and ask the child to rearrange them by giving visual cues or through verbal prompts. In case of difficulty, here are few tips to overcome the difficulty. Arrange them again and show the picture and spellings. Try simple visual perception activity videos mentioned in the description box. I can use the same activity based on the level of the child. Level 1. Introduce as a three-piece jigsaw puzzle and ask the child to rearrange them. Level 2. Introduce three-letter words. In case child knows phonics, you can introduce as m, a, t or teach them mat, mat. Level 3. To teach unscrambled words. Any child learns faster through hands-on experience. In case your child is struggling in solving unscrambled words, then this is the best way to teach. In case you need more information about remediation, home program, school readiness program or NIOS support, then contact me at swapnaLDsolutions@gmail.com. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching. In case you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe for more updates. Don't forget to add comments.